Hello friends, how is everyone? This is Umesh welcoming you once more to Indian Everywhere. In today's blog, we are going to see how we are going to get an Indian e-visa. More than 175 countries are eligible to get an Indian e-visa. So let's go to our laptop and I will show you step-by-step process so that you can also get your Indian e-visa without any hassles. So friends, finally we are here on our laptop. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So if you like to see which countries are eligible for e-visa, you can click and have a look here. But we are going to apply for an e-visa directly, so click it here. So select a nationality from whichever national you are. For example, I will select Saudi Arabia here. So select the passport type. You can select which airport you want to land. For example, I will select this. Date of birth, email address, select email address, and here see we have a tourist visa for 30 days, 1 year and 5 years, and there are medical, business and other also. I will select tourist visa. So once you select this, you will get this pop-up message. Click it here. So you can select from this what you like. You can select tourist visa 5 years. Again, you will see this message. You can click it here, or you want this one, anything you like, you can select. You can put the date of your arrival here, and you can put the captcha here, and you click here, and you can click on continue now. So once you've clicked to continue, you will get this pop-up message. Click OK. So you come to this place now. So you got your airport, which airport you are going to arrive, and this is your ID. You can save it for your further references. So you will put your family name here, given name here, gender you can put male, female. So your date of birth is already here. City of birth you can type. So for example, I will cite Riyadh. I can select Saudi. Your ID number here. Region you can select whatever is your religion, you can select it here. So if you have any visible mark, if no, you can say none. You can select here whatever is your qualification by birth. If you have you lived for the last 2 years in the country we are applying for? If it is yes, yes. If it is no, no. I will say yes. Here we need to put the passport number. Here need to the place of issue date, and here we will put expiry date. You have any other valid passport, identification certificate, ID, etc. So I will click it no here. So I will click save and continue now. So here what you will put? You will put the address of Saudi. If you will click here, same as a home address. So you will put here father details, nationality, previous nationality if any, date of birth, country, and we will give mother details also here. If you are married or single, if you are married, you put married, single, divorce, whatever. If you put married, you need to put your wife details also. What is your occupation? If you can find anything from here, just okay. If not, you can press others, and you can mention all your details. And again, after selecting all this, you can click save and continue. Once you collect save and continue, you come to this place. We have selected e-visa, tourist places you want to visit. For example, you can write Delhi, Goa, or any other places you have. Here, have you booked any rooms in hotel resort through any tour operator? Say no. Exit point, you can select any. Goa, for example, is this. If you have ever visited in India, yes, then you can put their address, or for in my case I will put no. Here they are asking if your visa has been refused anytime. I will click no. Here it is very important. In last 10 years, which countries you have visited. For example, I will write all the countries I have visited. This is for example. You can write all the countries you have visited. Have you visited the SAARC countries in last 3 years? For example, if you have visited these countries, yes. If no, you can click no here. So reference in India. If you know anyone is very good. If you don't know, the best thing is to put the hotel name here and their address. For example, I will select any hotel, go to any booking website and book any hotel and put all their address. In this column, there is asking reference name in Saudi Arabia. You can put your father, friends, anyone name, their address and the phone number, and then you can click save and continue. So after filling all this, you can read all this carefully and select. All will be no, but you have to read it. Select all, and you have to save and continue. You have to click here. You have to choose your photo and upload a photo. So choose your file, I will choose my photo and click here upload a photo. You can place and resize the photo here. Here you can click crop and save. See, you can see the photo is there. Save and continue. See, after uploading the photo, you have to upload your passport. I have uploaded and I will click here confirm. So you can see all the details are here. You can select verify and continue. Here my name and the application ID has came. I will click here yes and pay now. You can use any of the method to pay. PayPal, Axis Bank, anything you like, and you click here continue. See the visa payment status updated, take 2 hours to be technically. So once you click all this, you will see the details that it take 2 hours. You just click OK and you click continue. You can pay, fill all the details and make the payment. Or if you like, you can click PayPal and you can pay it here. It is 25.89 USD. Once the payment is done, you will get your visa in via email on 72 hours. I hope this blog was helpful to you. If you like this blog and it was helpful to you, please share with your friends and relatives who are willing to travel to India. And if you are new to my channels, do subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.